In this tutorial, you'll see how you can design a logo using Pages. Open the new version of Pages and select a blank document. I like to choose landscape because it matches the aspect ratio of my screen better. The next thing I'm going to do is drag a previous logo onto my Pages document just so that I can match colors and see the layout and fonts. Next, I'm going to add a rectangle to the page and I'm going to resize it. If you hold down the Shift key while you resize, it'll keep the aspect ratio. I want a square, so I'm holding it down to keep it in square proportions. The thing you'll notice now is that it bumped my logo off the page, so I'm going up under Arrange and I'm choosing to have it not wrap the text. The next thing I want to do is I want to change the colors. So I'm going to select the color selection tool and pull out that UWC green color from the previously selected logo. Now I'm going to add a circle on top, again keeping the aspect ratio to keep it a circle, not an oval, and arrange it on my page. And I'm going to turn the fill into a white color. Now I'm going to select everything that I've got so far, group it, and lock it in place so that when I add other elements I don't have to worry about it moving. Okay, now I'm going to drag on an icon that I found that I want to use in my logo. This icon comes from the Noun project, but you can use the Noun project or some other source of free to use icons. Next thing I want to do with this is edit the mask so that I get rid of the volleyball because I just really want the player. And now I'm going to position this player and resize it and rotate it a little bit. Holding down the Command key when you select the object allows you to do a rotation. In this next step, I'm going to be adding some text and I'm going to use the UWC font called Bliss, which you can download from the online learning platform, to make it match the UWC SEA style. I'm going to be changing size and positioning these letters in a way that makes my logo look balanced. With the text that you add, you can also change the character spacing by going under the settings and increasing or decreasing the character spacing. For the next step of my logo, I'm going to draw an arc. I selected the arc tool, and so I need to plot the start and the finish of my arc, and I can change the general shape of my arc by sliding around the selector that's in the middle. That changes the curvature of the arc. Once I've done that, I can select the line style and make it a little bit heavier. This adds a little bit of motion to my logo and also helps balance it. Before it was a little bit too heavy toward the right, but adding this element balances this logo nicely.